and hit the bell.
Don't forget to hit that bell if you are new. If you are not new and you've never subscribed, hit that subscribe and then hit the bell.
Yes, and welcome to our channel. You girls, you know to say welcome to our channel.
And when we wear it out, pajamas.
So don't be confused. This video is definitely about sunflowers and going to sunflower field. But we want to show off our new outfits because before we head out and we get dressed for the day, we want to show you how we've been hanging around the house getting ready for
Christmas. Yes, we are getting ready for Christmas with a lovely company called Ivy. I have a chorus behind me, guys, clearly today.
Wow.
So guys, check out Ivy. They do amazing Christmas pajamas for families. They have so many options for you guys to choose from. They also have lots of family outfits for you guys to choose from. So we are going to leave a link below. You can either shop through them through Amazon or you can shop directly through their website. So please, shout out to Ivy. We are getting ready for the Christmas season. And we want to ask you guys, what do you think? Do you think that we should do Vlogmas this year? Leave a comment below right now as you're watching this, yes or no, if you think that we should do Vlogmas. Did you watch us last year and the year before that? What did you think of Vlogmas last year, babe?
It was amazing. I love it.
I love the memories. I love the videos. So I enjoy doing Vlogmas.
It's a lot of work to put out a video every single day. It's a lot of work. But we want to put these outfits on early because we wanted to let you know how to get your stuff early because you can't order stuff, you know, the week of Christmas.
Exactly. So. Don't wait till December 15th to order something for Christmas.
When that Christmas season kicks in,
Christmas
you want to have your stuff.
You want to have the stuff early. Make sure that you thinking ahead. Christmas is what? Only about 2.5 months away.
Exactly.
So get your stuff now. I know it's fall, but get your stuff now for Christmas prep. Have things already set to the side because we're stocking up.
Yeah, we're getting ready.
We're getting ready. So leave a comment below if we do Vlogmas, if you think that we should do Vlogmas, yes or no.
So with that said, it's time to go to the sunflower field. You girls ready to go see some sunflowers?
Yeah!
Alrighty, let's go.
See you there. All right, guys, so we are here at, where are we?
We are at Fawcett Farm, sunflowers. We're at the sunflower fields. This is in Dawsonville, Georgia. Real distance from
Atlanta. If you live in Metro Atlanta, it's going to be about an hour and a half.
Right. It took us about an hour to get, it was an hour drive exactly for us to get here. Rain and Royce, don't touch that dirty wheel. The girls really want to get up here and take a picture. So wait, let me help you. Let me help you. Put your foot down.
So guys, you come down here, you can buy some flowers over there in that shed. It's in a very remote area. And you just walk down there and you take some pictures. Nothing but sunflowers.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something green.
Yes, it is like a jungle. You guys okay?
Sunflower jungle.
So, it's cool, but you definitely have to be mindful that there are bees here.
Yeah, they look like a jungle.
Yes, it does look like a jungle.
And we have sunflower outfits on.
And check out our outfits.
No, I'm saying our outfits are sunflowers, so the bees might.
The bees think, oh, yeah. Oh,
Okay, so where are we actually going?
come on, girls, this way.
How far are we going, babe? I don't want to go too far.
You don't want to go too far?
No.
It's crazy. Let me show you guys.
A lot of them, because of the weather, are kind of like
Dried up.
dry.
How about this way?
Like today is a really nice day, but it hasn't been this nice.
How about that way?
Okay, yeah, let's try the picture here.
I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
So, ultimately, guys, there's not a whole lot to it.
It's just sunflowers.
It's just a sunflower field. There's really nothing happening here. It's probably good that we came when there's literally nobody here. We didn't, like, our masks are in our pocket and we have not had to take them out because
We have not gone near anyway.
we've been at least 100 feet away from people.
Okay, it's getting muddy. Okay, so it was a nice little sunflower field. If you guys are looking into, usually the sunflower season is
There's
in.
a spider.
Okay, don't worry.
Is it September?
I think it's I think it's in June. There was some that was open in June and I missed it. There's a big, humongous spider
Wow,
right there.
that's big.
That is huge. It's okay, it's not coming our way. And we missed that one. So I looked this one up and this one is open. They said for like the next 2 to 3 weeks. Like
Okay.
I think towards the end of October they're closing it.
Right.
So if you are in Georgia, come check it out if you want to go to a sunflower field. It was cool, it was peaceful, it was relaxing. It was only $5. Rain and Royce were free, 5 and under are free.
Right.
And yeah,
It's something to do that's safe these days at the end of the day, so
Right.
that's what we
Get us out the
appreciated about
house.
it. Yeah.
So we appreciate it. Girls, did you like it? Well, aside from the spider, go ahead, get
And
up.
we really
Go ahead.
sat there
You
and
can
tried
get
to
up.
think of the best place to wear these outfits. And we came up with this. What do you think? What do you think?
Exactly. So shout out to patpat.com for these outfits. You guys know that's where we get all of our family matching outfits. And if you use code JazzyLife15, you will get 15% off of your purchase. So who don't want to save? 15%, it saves you a lot, especially with Pat. They have such great prices.
Right.
So check them out, guys. All right, so we off to the next spot?
Yeah, let's We drove past the outlets on the way here, so we're gonna head there. You guys know we like outlets. So we are heading there now. See you there.
All right, guys, and then you could purchase some sunflowers for $2. Girls, you want a sunflower?
Yeah.
Go ahead and pick out one.
I want this one.
Okay.
And I want this one.
Okay. I'm gonna pick out some for myself.
I'll pick one for Daddy.
2, 4, 3.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna get 6. I think I'm gonna get half a dozen of sunflowers.
You gotta count for Rain or Royce.
I did count. Is there one that's shorter than I want them to be all the same height?
I can cut them.
Yes, please. Come on, put them in a vase when I get home.
You want them all this length?
Yeah.
Not even shorter than that.
No, the length you just showed me is perfect. Yes. She's gonna cut the stems so that they can look nice when we take them home.
Here's over there.
Yes, you can. Quickly. It's just a bench. All right, guys. I finally made it to the outlets, and I am pissed because they are closed. They are closed. They close. It's literally 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes after 7 o'clock. And outlets are closed. First of all, they were supposed to close at 8 o'clock. Not no 7 o'clock, but they changed their hours. It's cool. I'll come back another day. I need to buy nothing anyway. I'm going home now. See y'all at home. Okay, guys, so we are back home. No outlets for us today.
It didn't work out.
It didn't work out. But we had a nice time at the sunflower field. Royce, did you have a nice time at the sunflower field? The girls are tired, okay?
Wow.
Rain, are you tired?
Yeah.
Rain looks like she's about to fall
And
asleep
she's
over there.
hungry. We did not stop and pick up anything to eat, so I'm gonna make them something real quick and let them eat dinner. And it was a pretty simple day. I had to work today, and so that's why we went kind of late.
And I have to work tonight.
And Richard has to go to work tonight. But we're glad that we was able to do a little event
Squeeze
with the
something
girls.
in.
Squeeze
Yeah.
something in. So I enjoyed it. And once again, these outfits are from patpat.com. I'll use code JazzyLife15. And if you guys liked that outfit in the beginning of the
PJs.
vlog, the PJs, little elf pajamas, check out Ivy. We are going to leave their link below. And remember, I told you guys you can get them from Amazon, or you can just go through their website. Check out all of their cool selections. They got some good selections there too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to do apple picking next. If you guys live in Georgia, leave a comment below.
Where's the spots at?
Where's the spots at? I don't know, by the time of this vlog is out, maybe we would have already went, but maybe if you leave the spot that you go to, we'll probably go there next year. But I want to take the girls apple picking. I'm trying to do all the stuff that's keeping us away from people. As you guys can see, we did pumpkin picking.
Outdoors,
we
while
did
we
sunflower.
can,
Yeah. And now I want to do the apple picking. And something else I never did was the strawberry picking either.
Yeah.
I would like to do that too. If you know any strawberry. I don't know if it's the season for that though. But let me know in the comments. Strawberry and apple picking. So, alright. We are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for joining us at the sunflower field. Don't forget to share this with who, Rain? Yes, your friends and family. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. We appreciate it. And until the next vlog, continue to live
A rich
and jazzy life.